Now this is the dura mater in green, this is the pia mater, epidural space, subarachnoid space, subdural space, and this is the spinal cord section. Okay, now you can see this is the central canal, this is the posterior horn, this is the anterior horn. This will be an identification of the slide. So you have to identify that the main features. Over there you won't be asked to the synapses, or you have to draw the motor neural cells or your this neuroglia or whatever it is. It is that you see doing. You see it will be placed anatomically. The slide I just ulta palta nahi rahega. It won't be like the anterior horn cells are put in the posterior aspect, posterior side. It won't be that. It will be normal anatomical position. We are taking your examination in normal anatomy, not pathological, or to be over enthusiastic as an examiner to put you in a bad situation. No, we are there to help you. But in the when the slides are being viewed for that histology exam practical, you have to go cring. You have to go on moving. Actually, if you signal, sir, you stay back for another 10 seconds or 15 seconds, that's not allowed. 36টা slide. 36টা slide, you do one thing is that from today, you start seeing your atlas and your practical khata. Every day, one slide. If you don't want to come to the lab, then you take an oath. That means you can take 2 slides, 3 slides, like epithelium. You can take 1 chapter. So you see these sconce cell epithelium, all this, where it's in the organ, which part it is representing. Now every day, if you see view the book, histology book, plus your tab, you can see every day. You make it an oath, any time of the day, I will see 1 slide. 1 slide means you are having 90 days. June 12th, June, July, August, September. September end exam. October exam. October. You see the formula I am calculating for you, that you view every day 1 slide. That will take maximum 15 minutes. Or you allot 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You are given a chance of 5 minutes in the histology lab. You, to study it more in detail, you just view for 10 minutes your book, note and correlate. You give me a report after 1 month. Report means, sir, it is working. On histology, I told you, koto number? 1 question and everything near 20 marks. Practical, stain, short MCQ, or short note on how you stain a slide or something like that, whatever it is. So I would say 10 marks devoted to histology. But you will get 8 marks. Chakka. Now what I am getting a feedback from one or two of your friends that we are learning, we are forgetting. That happened. Even it happened to us. It happened to me. It is a very volatile subject. It's like ether. It is like 100% alcohol. Sat. It's like acetone. So please, for histology, you take an oath. You have taken cadaveric oath, you have taken Charak Sampat. Okay. Now, you will go to the lab and you just 2 slides are there. Don't act up slide. You just, when it is put in the, I'm telling you that one thing I tell you, every day you follow my instruction for 1 month. Every month, every day you put your histology textbook, your tab, phone touch, I am not this thing interested. But you have a book. Not a digital format, because you won't be, like, when you are having a digital format as phone, say, you are seeing a slide, you are expanding. Sometimes it doesn't expand. Internet is not there. The practical issues are there. I'm telling you, you just put a cloud. And now what you do, today you have seen spinal cord, you read spinal cord and see the histology first. Second thing, now the tracks which have been taught to you, that you see. And in the medulla and whatever it is, in the brain, brain হয়ে গেছে তাহলে মানে তোমার ইল্লে না করা যাবে না, না পড়ানো হয়নি। তো ascending track, descending track, that means you are telling about the physiology part and also your anatomy, দুটো subject হয়ে গেল, and study gross anatomy and your bones and all this after dinner. And don't kill yourself reading up to 2 a.m. and then missing a class, because these classes are important. Whatever it is said is important.